Oh my goodness, let me tell you something. Who I'm speaking to today, this is one of those messages where it's gonna be for a specific collective, okay? I'm definitely sensing that you was involved with somebody, whether a relationship or a situationship, and it was a third party that got involved with what you had going on, right? And I'm definitely sensing like this person that was a third party being sneaky behind your back. Now that you decided to walk away, you say you can have them. You know what I mean? Now I'm sensing like they saying, "Oh yeah, I won. This is mine. They'll never do me like they did you." And little do they know, they are figuring out very quickly that they didn't win nothing but cold. Okay, I'm sensing that this person, since you walked away, they've been very cold to this person. And I'm definitely sensing like they trying to play like they happy on social media. And this person, the third party, is trying their best not to even let go of the relationship because they don't want to feel like, you know, you was right. They don't want to, they pride is too big to let this person go, because I'm definitely sensing like the person you was with, they are treating that other person very cold. You know what I mean? It was like it was fun when it was just sneaking around, and now you the only one I'm with. I didn't even want you for real. You know, you was just like some McDonald's type of thing. I done lost my home cooked meal. That's what I'm sensing with this energy. So we're gonna get into these cards because I am definitely sensing like they really thought that they was bigger than the program. They really thought that they had one up on you. Oh my gosh. And little do they know they could never be you. And that's the thing, like this person that you was involved with, they know that. And that's why they treating this person now cold. You know what I mean? They treating them person cold, like they are feeling like they didn't stab their own self in the back. They feel like they didn't, you know what I'm saying, like tie their own shoes and trip themselves up into a big mistake. They really feel like this was a big mistake, and they really feeling the way that they made you feel. And by you walking away so peacefully, you got like this new positive energy going on. You feeling like, okay, you was cheating, you wasn't treating me right, to hell with you. You know what I mean? And like, and this person, the third party, is jealous. I'm sensing they are very envy because they watching you. They watching you to see what it is you got going on, and they could be right beside. I'm definitely sensing like they be right beside each other in the bed, both trying to sneak and look at your profile, both trying to still check in on you to see how you doing, and they both are hating. Oh my God, they both are miserable. I'm definitely sensing they argue about you. They argue about you. Honey, you is like the main topic in their conversations. They're not truly happy because they know that their foundation was based on a lie. And this person, the third party, really thought that they was gonna come in and get special treatment. No, the only reason why this person is with you because the main one, you walked away. Oh my gosh. Wow, that is crazy. Yes. Wow. But you completely walked away. Let me tell you something. They can't even focus on the blessings that's in front of them. They can't even focus on the love that that third party is trying to even give them. They can't even focus on trying to be faithful or be committed, because this person was not going to be, if they wasn't going to be committed to you, they wasn't going to be committed to nobody. And I'm definitely sensing like the third party is like experiencing that quote where it's like the same way you get them is the same way you lose them. So they thinking, oh, they're gonna be faithful to me. I'm definitely sensing like it's still cheating going on in their relationship. No matter how they looking happy on social media, they are miserable going on. Oh my God. They being lied to. They being, and then the person that you left, I'm definitely sensing they be gaslighting them. They be gaslighting. It's a lot of manipulation going on in this relationship with the third party and the person that you was with, and you completely like have left it in the dust, and now you are in a sense where you are happy and you are glowing, honey. But when I tell you they think about you day and night, I'm definitely sensing that they dream about you. They really fantasize like old memories about you. hmm it's a lack of love in their union, because it's like this person also, the third party, at first they was all confident, like, yeah, you done walked away, I got them, you know what I'm saying, it ain't no other me. Now when I tell you that they self-esteem is so low, they self-esteem is so low, they feeling so like incomplete, they feel like the lowest that they ever had, they going through it, y'all. This union that tried to hurt you is like backfired on them 10 times fold. Like, wow, wow. Mm. And look at you. Look at you. Now you didn't got the self mastery. I'm definitely sensing like you got so much more time to just focus on yourself, focus on your dreams. I'm definitely even sensing that you like you letting go of that situation because it brought a lot of like pain to you. Now it you don't, I'm sensing like you didn't turn that in to fuel you up into your passions, into your inspirations. I'm even sensing like a new love connection definitely is sparking you up or will be sparking you up very, very soon. So that's amazing. Oh my, oh, I'm loving this for you though. And I ain't gonna lie, like that's what they get. Karma, girl, you just confident. You just sitting on your throne and they are hating this glow that you got going on. They are hating how you are glowing through this. And when I tell you the person that you was involved with, man, when I tell you they think of you all the time, they are really putting that other person through it. They are. They're not giving them not even half of the things that they you was giving you. And I'm definitely sensing that the third party, that's what made them want to even get with this person because they was seeing how they was treating you. Maybe you was posting it on social media. Maybe you was, bragging about the things that they was doing, even if they did have their flaws with cheating and stuff. And this person like was creeping, listening, and like, oh, I want that. But what he do for me, he's not gonna do for you is what I'm sensing, and it's what they are seeing. But they were so confident though. They were so confident. But look at you. That's why I say you come in, you didn't focus on yourself completely, like let go of the BS. And now, like when I say you are definitely like attracting like a new love connection where you don't have to worry about the cheating, you don't have to worry about the sneaking, and you don't have to worry about none of that. I'm definitely sensing like you having dreams and like epiphanies of knowing that they're thinking of you because you could be going on through your regular day and then like a random thought of them would kind of fly by, but I'm definitely sensing like they pulling on your energy, so be careful with that. Okay. Wow. But you definitely come into a union where they want to put pour love back into you. And also with this card, you get what you put out. That's what I'm saying. They getting exactly, that third party is getting exactly what they get. They try to be sneaky, they try to be conniving, they try to like um laugh at your pain. Try to like and they allow your pain to make them feel good about themselves. And now look at them. They begging for the person that you was with to please just give me some love. Like they are begging for their love. They begging for them to treat them half as the way that they were treating you. Like they feel very bummed out. They feeling so insecure, but they are not trying to portray it out to the world because they don't want you to see it. And the thing is, you're not even watching their page. You're not you're not even thinking about them. Only time you may even think of them is when they are pulling on your energy and a random thought may come through your mind, but you're not even focused on them. You're minding your business. Oh my gosh, this is crazy, but that's how it be. Thinking that they bigger than the program, and soon we'll find out. Like, honey, you was a non-factor. You were just something to do. And they finding out real quickly because now they are in your shoes. But look at you. You didn't flourish through it all. And I'm definitely sensing when you was involved with this person, you was just like, you had your insecurities. You was feeling drained. You was feeling tired. You was feeling like, why you continue to hurt me like this? But now you didn't gain all that bad. Now the glow you got, the self-love you got. Oh, I feel it. Like you feel like a lot of weight is lifted off your chest, off your heart. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. I love this for you because you are so deserving of it. You're so deserving of it. And you are attracting someone that is going to show you why that needed to be gone anyways. Like God definitely, universe definitely made sure that you had enough room for this love that's coming in, because my love, it's gonna be it's gonna be major. But I'm definitely sensing like that old person is gonna be trying to come back, gonna try to come back and try to win you back over, and you're not going to go for it. But I'm sensing like they are really trying to come up with a game plan. I don't know if they trying to send you flowers, send you gifts, gonna be go ahead and reaching out to you if they haven't already, but they definitely trying to come with action to win you back over. They trying to be like, I gotta get my girl back. Forget everything else. Forget it. I don't care about this girl. And I'm definitely sensing like they telling you that I don't care about her. I don't care about her. It's you that I want. And you like, I can't tell. I'm good. I'm done. But I'm definitely sensing like you had given this person many chances before, but something about that last situation where the third party was involved, it was too messy. It was too hurtful for you to like even forgive. You was like, I'm done. It was like the icing on the cake. You know what I mean? You was done. And now you didn't got this self-love with this way that you now understanding to where you need to pour your love into, and the person that you are attracting, man, truly going to be pouring their love into you and truly understand something. I don't know why I'm saying something like an emotional mature person is what you're attracting. And I'm definitely sensing the person that you walked away from, they was not mature at all when it comes to emotions and knowing how to even treat a woman. I'm definitely sensing like this person that you walked away from, they didn't have a good relationship with their mother. It's something about the way that they treat women around them. It wasn't good. It wasn't good. So like you really dodged a bullet, and you know that. And I love this for you. One more card for the collective, please. One more card for the collective. But yeah, this person really thought it. Wow, same way you get them, same way you lose them. They see, yeah, they trying to come back with a plan. But you don't walk away. But I'm definitely sensing that the person that you are attracting, they're not gonna even allow that. They gonna show you what a real man is. They're gonna let you know, and they're gonna show that person that's trying to come back into your life like, no, this is mine. I'm definitely sensing like a real strong, dominant man that's gonna come in and really show ownership of his union, not ownership of you, but like, this is my lady. You had your chance. Back up before I hurt you. And I love this for you because I'm definitely sensing this person you walked away from, they wasn't even protective of you at all. No, they were just very immature. I'm just sensing an immature person, manipulative, narcissist, gaslighting you all the time, just very cheating, just you. That's why you feel so much lighter. That's why you got so much hope again. You got so much love to give. Oh my gosh. And that man, when I tell you that third party, they are over there miserable, sad, can't get you out their mind. Oof. You living rent free in their whole relationship. Whole time the person you left cheating on that third person with other people, and they thinking you going back to her, is that who you talking to? You moved on with your life. No, he's just cheating on you with other people. Yeah. You wasn't special, babe. That's what I'm sensing you saying. Like, you wasn't special. If anybody was gonna be the wife, it was me. You was just something to do. Oof. Listen, I'm cheering for you, the universe cheering for you, and I will see you very, very soon.